Alright, so 57 GMC pickup. You know, same thing as a Chevy. A little cooler, I think, but that's an opinion. Alright, so all your frame on the truck is painted. Everything back here, all the rear, painted to match the truck. New exhaust. As you can see, all new exhaust. And all the frame is all rust free and in good shape. This truck gets driven a little bit, so I mean all of it is in nice shape. Nice clean frame underneath, in good shape. Even underneath all these running boards over there, no rust anywhere in that. Let's move up farther, take another look. Even in the back fenders here, you know, no rust anywhere. No Bondo on that. Alright. See all along the frame here. And all up in there. I mean, all the floors are nice, solid. Everything's good and solid. All the front end is all original equipment. You got your brake boosters and stuff there. Original transmission. Drive shaft. I mean, all this stuff.